Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use Do Not Disturb on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to use Do Not Disturb mode, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to pull down your control panel and here you will easily get the Do Not Disturb mode. Here's that, tap on it to enable it or tap on it again to disable it. But if you won't get it here, so you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for sounds and vibrations. Tap on it. Now scroll down again and here's the do not disturb mode. Just tap on it and here tap on it to enable it. You can customize it also. So that's how you can use do not disturb mode on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.